So guys, I finally got my $1,000 gift card package from Sephora in the mail. And I'm going to show you because it's so good. It's like my best haul in a long time. Starting off strong, I got the Tatcha Dewy Skin Serum. I had this about a year ago and I loved it. The Dewy Skin Cream is also really good too, but I want like a really hydrating serum because my skin is literally flaking off because it's so cold. Then this is controversial. I got the new I can't say it, the new cream. I know it attracts spiders. I'm gonna choose to be delusional and dumb because it smells amazing. Like, I tried it in store and I kept sniffing my hand the entire day, so at least the spider wants me. No boys do. Then we got the Anastasia Sun Idol highlighter. This is like 5 stars on Sephora, which is crazy for a highlighter. And I'm in my glowy era, if you can't tell. It looks super pretty. I already had nose highlight on. I don't know why I did. Also, this is like pretty heavy. They put their back into this. I got the Briogeo, I think, rosemary pre-wash oil. I've heard good things and my hair be getting dandruffed. So please fix that. I got the Makeup by Mario concealer in like a face shade because it's self-setting, so it's really good for acne if you don't want to like set it. And I worked out in this and it stayed. Not that I work out a lot. We got the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I've had this before and I loved it, but don't travel with it because it literally like explodes. I don't know if I'm the only one, so that one's fucked up and I had to buy a new one. The next 2 things are from Bumble and Bumble. I got the like leave-in conditioner. I had this way back in the day and I loved it, so I'm trying it again. And then the soft texture finishing spray. I don't know, it attracted me. Then we got the JVN Intense Hydration Mask in the mini size because I want to go on vacation with it. Let's do a smell test. Okay, well, we're not going to do that. Then the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Rich Barrier Moisturizer. It's fucking long ass name, so that means it's gotta work. I finished my Murad one and I loved it, don't get me wrong, like I literally scraped the bottom, but I like to try new things. And this is the other moisturizer the Sephora lady like swatched on my hand and it feels so good, so hopefully it doesn't break me out. I'm skeptical about this next product. It's the Refi Skin Finish Water Base Powder. It's supposed to like leave a glow, but we'll see because I've heard it's like patchy, so I'll let you know. Also from Refi, I got the Just Clear lip gloss. I love this. I use it as chapstick. It's so good. I got the mini size of the Niacinamide Dewdrops. I have it in the full size, but I don't want to travel with it, so. Also, another thing from vacation, I got the Peter Thomas Roth Max Vitamin Defense Sunscreen. This had really good reviews, and I like how slender the packaging is. That'll be nice to travel with. I got the Cali Ray Surf Spray. I'm really excited about this. It's been on like my recommended for a long time, so I'm giving it a shot. And it feels like it has a lot of product. I got a re-up of the High Glam Concealer. It's my favorite concealer in the entire world. Like, nothing compares to it in my opinion. Got a lot of concealers, but the next one is the Rare Beauty Eye Brightener. It's supposed to like be good for no makeup days, which I'm not very good at that, but vacation. This is from Innisfree. It's the green tea caffeine eye bright serum. I really want a good eye serum that's like gonna help with puffing, and the applicator is what sold me. Like, that looks like it'd feel good. Then I got a re-up of the Refi Brow Sculpt. I love this stuff. My eyebrows literally don't move whatsoever, even after I go really hard on a night out. Then I got another Makeup by Mario F4 brush. I use this every single time I do my makeup. If I could recommend any brush, this one, so good. Then I got Anastasia brow powder in my new hair color shade because it's like really dark now and the other one does not look as good. Then I got the Kylie, I don't know how to say this. It's the Vanilla 28 perfume. I'm not taking it out because it's wrapped up. But I've heard really good things and I smelt it in store and it smells like crack. Then I got a mini Whipped Greens Pharmacy Cleanser. I got this for vacation. Hopefully I like it because it's like kind of a lot. So if I don't, it's going to be a waste. And then again for vacation, I keep saying that, I got the mini Moroccan oil shampoo conditioner. I've never tried this before, but my mom's hair smelled so good one time and this is what she used. So I'm strictly buying it for that. Everything else is from like points and free stuff from spending so much. So next is the Bumble and Bumble oil. I've also had this. I think I liked it. I don't really remember. Mini Bioessence Squalene and Copper Peptide Serum. It's blue and I've had this before and I really liked it. It's just way too expensive, so Oh well. This is from Points. I got the Isle of Paradise body scrub and like the mini face tanning thing. I love this. Not sure about this, so we'll see. Then I got the Living Proof shampoo, conditioner, styling cream, and dry shampoo. It's kind of a lot for being a mini, so I'm excited. Bioessence, Bioessence, Squalene eye cream, and the Omega Repair cream. Yeah, sure. Sign me up. Mini Pureology 21 Benefits spray. This Clean Brilliant Peony. I don't know why that's so hard for me to read. I have like 4 functioning brain cells. Perfume. And a really mini of the vitamin enriched serum, which is really expensive. Even if it's good, I don't know if I'd repurchase. And finally, the Laneige Hydrate and Glow set. It has serum, moisturizer, lip sleeping mask, water sleeping mask, and the toner. So I'm set for skincare. There's a lot. Then I didn't get these 2 from Sephora, but they sell it, so why not? I got the Yummy Skin Tints from Danessa Myricks. I got 5 and 6 because I didn't know what I'd be. And I really like it. I'm wearing it today. And even though I'm a full coverage queen, these will be good for days I want to be more natural. And that completes my giant haul. I hope you enjoyed. I'm so excited to use all of this. And now I have way too much makeup and skincare, but oh well.